We all know now when flying our DJI Avatas, we have to have our goggles hooked to our cell phone with the DJI Fly app running. The problem I was having when you couple this stiff power cable with the coil in it, along with a stiff USB cable, it was restricting my head and it was less than desirable, I'll tell you that. Now, what I did is I got looking and I found a silicone-based cable and came up with this one here. I'll put a link in the description. It's available in 7 different colors. Now, the next thing that I did is I took it to the next level by putting it inside the coil on the power cable. When I started doing this initially, I kind of jumbled up the cable and got some knots in it. Then I figured out an easy way to do that, and I thought I would share that with you today. What you want to do, grab your cable, make sure it's short, grab the power coil itself, and then just go ahead and start looping it around. Then pull it through a little bit and just keep on going. And then I'll speed this up here so we can get to the end. Now that we have the power cord around the USB cable, as you can see, it's the perfect size where it'll actually slide inside the power cable. It doesn't restrict your head movement as much. When you plug it into the goggles, it's a nice positive feel, and my flight experience was as good as it could be with the situation we have to deal with our cell phone. The other problem that I have is I have one of these flip phones, and the problem was when I was running the Fly app and I closed the phone and put it in my pocket, it would shut down the Fly app. So what I did is I grabbed one of my old cell phones out of my junk bin of electronics, put the Fly app on it, and everything seems to work fine. I don't have any cellular service on this. I do have Wi-Fi, so I could put the Fly app on it and some other things, but it seems to be working just fine. And now I don't have to worry about messing up my expensive phone, and my flight experience is back where it was. A lot of the time I have to fly in restricted areas for my company, and it's nice now because the Fly app is running, and if I have approval to fly in that area, I'm all good to go. I don't have to hook my phone up every time I change the battery. I hope this has helped you out and makes your flight experience more enjoyable. Like I said, I'm going to put a link in the description for this cable. It's available in 7 different colors. I hope it makes your life a lot easier because it certainly has mine. And thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you next time.